Good day, everyone, and welcome. Before we start, we have a disclosure. Please be aware of risk in the future trading. All our videos for educational purpose only. You're very welcome to follow any of our automated signal as long as you are on SIM. We're not responsible for your trade, and we're not your financial advisor. We normally start around 10 o'clock, and we still have a few minutes, and we will start analyzing the market at 10 o'clock exactly. Thank you. Good morning, everyone, and welcome. It's 10 o'clock. And what I say, welcome to trading. I mean, this is really beautiful. We are, it's going to be very early morning session. Um, we have the target one has been achieved. It is a profit taken on the institutional. And then we have the target two at 44.70.75. I'm not expecting this market to go to target three. The target three is for the afternoon session, but we will see. The market is very strong. Very rare we hit the target three in the morning session. For the Nasdaq is already climbing to target two. There is a possibility we'll get to the target three at 15.275. So we will monitor this market and see. I mean, it's a beautiful, really nice, easy morning, and there is a profit taken on the ES. That's why you see the wicks are on the target one. The momentum is very strong. We are climbing to target two, profit taken on target two, and we will see if we are able to hit target three. I'm not sure about that, but once we get to the target two, we will find out. The market is climbing to the target two, and the Nasdaq most likely, if the ES will hit the target two, the Nasdaq will hit target three. So it's all our eye on the ES, and we will see if the ES able. Also, there is a resistance here at 44.66. So this is not really, we need to break that line also. So hopefully the market is extremely strong to the long. If you are using a dummy auto trade like ATRs, MACDs, do not let your auto trade take short. There is no short. There is a pullback re-entry at this level 44.50.25. On the Nasdaq there is a re-entry at 151.53, 151.53, 15,153. So be careful. Do not let, if you have those dummy auto trades, do not allow your auto trade to take short trades. We are the ES is trying to break that line, and we will see if it's able to break the 44.66. If we are able to break the 44.66.25, we are immediately climbing to the 44.70 level, 44.70. Okay, so we'll see how this market. The Nasdaq is like going to the target three, which there is no more targets. There is only 1 and 2 and 3. Number 3 is for the afternoon, but if we are hitting it, that means there is nothing left for the rest of the day. So be careful, guys. We'll keep our eye on it. We're waiting on the ES to break that line. The Nasdaq already hit over $10,000. On the market analyzer, every number you see on the market analyzer, every member have the same numbers. On the last entry signal, based on one contract, we have 97 ticks, 100 ticks into the profit on the ES based on one contract, and we have 600 ticks on the Nasdaq and 134 on the YM, and the CL we have almost 100 ticks to the downside, short trade. So all those from the last entry signal. It's not the whole day. So this is from the last entry signal, and every target has already hit. The market analyzer have 5 different automated trades, and they already each one of them hit the target and closed the trade. Actually, I have one I extended, is the Russell, but also the Russell has already um, hit the target, but I have it on the Russell, and this is from the Market Analyzer automated trade. Let's see, what is the Russell? Here is the Russell. It is on one contract, it is 400, and it is 800 on two contracts. So this is the only one, and already hit the target, but I have extended the target to see where we are going with the Russell. But you can put any place you want the target, or if you want to, you can move your trailing stop or stop loss, and the auto trade can readjust itself. There is no problem. The auto trade will readjust on the fib line. There is no big deal with that. So we are about to break that resistance line, and once we hit the target 2 on the ES, the Nasdaq will be hitting the target 3, and there is nothing left on the Nasdaq, so you gotta be careful. Plus the market has entered those two yellow lines, and once the market entered those two yellow lines, that means there is not much left, and you should not allow your auto trade to generate a new trade. Those yellow lines is measuring the previous highs and lows, and this is where, once this market entered those two yellow lines, you need to start consider the closing position and start for reversal. If we look here, those are not repaying to reversal. There is a reversal signals start plotting on the bars, and indicating there is a trend exhausting to the long side. So the market is not going to keep going forever long, and there is a little pullback. Um, and I think it will be it's a matter of time before this ES break it, and the final destination is 4470. Once we hit the 4470, is finished. So and then by the time the target hit target 2, target 3 on the Nasdaq is finished. That means there is nothing left on target on the Nasdaq to auto trade anymore. So we'll keep our eye on it. You can see it's firing a lot of reversal, indicating there is a trend exhaustion, and the final destination is 4470 for this morning session. So we'll keep our eye on it. Thank you. is about to break that. Okay, speaking of the devil, already broke the resistance. And once we hit the target 2 is 44.70. You gotta watch out. There is not much left. Please be careful. The Nasdaq is going to hit the target 3. The target 3 is 152.73, and the target 2 is 4470. Once we hit the target 2, it's gonna stay between target 1 and target 2 for 30-40 minutes. I doubt it if the ES will able to climb at this moment to target 3. Target 3 is for the afternoon. Is an institutional number. It's nothing to take it slightly. And the target 3 is all the way up to the 4480.75. So we will monitor. The momentum is very strong, but I'm not sure we are able to get all the way up here. Again, the market is full of surprises, but most of the time, now once we hit the target to see if this market able to keep climbing, there is some buyers coming in at this moment. You can see when the market blinking here at the chart, this means there is buyers coming. And look at this, target 2, profit taking, and the buyers couldn't hold this market to go further, profit taken, and then let's see. We'll monitor very closely on this. They are really trying to push the market. If you look here, where is those slides come on the chart, there is buyers coming in trying to push the market higher, and I don't know. We'll see if they are able. You can see now the disappeared. The buyers disappeared from the chart, but we'll see what happened. The Nasdaq target 3 hit as we expected, and profit taken. Let's see if this ES able to climb to the target 3, or is gonna stay between target 2 and target 1 for the next 30 minutes. Let's see what's going on. I mean, you know, the market is full of surprises. The market is very strong, but this is the end of it. Be careful. This is the end of it, gentlemen. It cannot go up forever, you know. We'll see. You can see how the Nasdaq stay on the target 3, as we said, is an institutional number, profit taking, and there is a resistance at 44.73, and it seems like the ES is trying to break that number. So I really don't see the ES climbing at this moment to target 3. Maybe I'm wrong, but there is a lot of reversal start occurring on the at this level here, and it's a little bit, plus the trend exhaustion firing to the other direction. So, but this is the end of the line to the long trade trend in the morning session. Maybe we'll get a couple more bars. We'll see. It's a very unusual to see the market hit target 3 in the morning. Sometimes it happens, and but not every single day. And then the market is finished once we hit the target 3, and the long trades are over. The long trades are over. If we notice on the YM, the sell signals start happening, and the market is finished to the long side, and now we are going to the short side. And as long as we are maintaining above the 15,290 on the Nasdaq, there is a potential for a little long, scalping long. And I can see the ES is about to break that line, the 44.69. This means officially all the long trades are finished, and we are now, if the market goes below the 44.69, this means every single trade long has to be closed. There is no more short trades, long trades. So I'll just close that trade, and the Nasdaq also, we're about to close it. The minute the Nasdaq goes below the 15,292, I will close the Nasdaq trade as well. So it was a very easy morning, and that was a nice. The market is finished to the long trade, and I hope everyone took advantage of this morning session. Don't waste your time from now to 12 o'clock. There is not much left. I don't know what happened in the afternoon, but now it's 10:47. Don't expect too much movement in the market anymore. It is done for this morning session. We wish you the best, and we will see you another day. Thank you very much.